Back to COVID-19, that is coronavirus, and according to Ghanaian comedian DKB say, for the Nyankopon Sipa or say Adenaba, and your kind of say, expose the greedy men of God, and was say he thank God for the virus, and I'm not being insensitive, despite the fact that it is causing a lot of mayhem because it is exposing the people we thought were exposed. There's always a good side to something, and some kind and the author says, I say I came online and I see this pastor I respected so much, Amoateng. If you are watching me, I have been a big fan of you. I've been admiring you, and but DKB is no more your fan. I'm very disappointed and heard that the man of God will say that is not compulsory for the church to provide hand sanitizer in this particular. Video Amoateng call posted on the page that and we are for and compose and say sorry no ever provided sanitizer because of the route outside. What do you say? I buy a tata the man shall not abandon the technology. You ever DKB video no crack? If you are near help of Amoateng video and for a video.
We don't even have money. We're struggling to pay our rent. Where are we going to get money to buy hand sanitizers? And let me tell you this, it's not the responsibility of the church to buy hand sanitizers for you because you give offering. It's not. You give offering to God to receive a blessing. It's not compulsory that the church has to bring you hand sanitizers.
Also for Amoateng, the kind of the video about container DKB respond on about the money. But yes, I'm ready to do. Amandzeba, my starting 2 or 3 minutes. Both sides.
Good. I expose the friends the level of thinking. Only my restraining me who I just want to use. I don't want to sound insulting, but I feel say Brian, he's a young man. He will not be 40 years. He's a young going man, and he's speaking this way. But that's that difference in the local, in the life accent, locally acquired foreign accent language. He should be ashamed. But I didn't understand. You are not saying we are going to punish you. The entire world. Jack Ma, right? He's giving. The entire world is giving. Almost that same situation where the Bible says, friends, a man one in Chilawo. If a man won't Chilawo, this is the situation that we are facing as a country. And we are facing as a state. Globally, we need a church. This is when we need a church. Black Eyed Peas has a song, Where is the Love? Where is the love? Yeah. I'm asking Brian Amoateng, Brian, where is that love? You said you show your people in the church. You are a shameful act. Brian Amoateng is a disgrace to the Christendom, or a disgrace to the Christendom, and it's a shameful act to society. Sebekachem said, "Assurance is not supposed to give me a hand sanitizer." I haven't said the church should give me, but you see, common sense, it's not common to everybody. Which I'm telling Brian, said Assurance could have even said something fine, but just sanitize is the see one, right? The community now. Your woman home. They don't say only suffer. Don't know they are in for money. A lot of them are hungry money hookers. Hungry money chasers and hungry money hookers. Because I don't understand why I own. Say, I saw it back. I say be alone in this hard time. And I want to say this hard time. No, let's also give back to society. Now rather, we are very creative in creating arts to tell us say, then to your quality for her. If you go to that extent, say, one mass or into home, we see can call you for car bass or no. Some funny in your Friday, for count fire mobile money for Brad. Wow. Wow. They call themselves men of God. They see a quarantine home. If I try in this quarantine moment, you know, it's a mood home. Do they know what it takes and what it entails for someone to be able to quarantine him or her herself well? You need food, you need water, you need shelter, you need a lot of things. It is all money. We haven't asked the church to give us food to eat, give us money. Much more fun, you see. We haven't asked the church to give us any of these things. But again, it's also good to say asɔre na yasum asɔre na kyɛ yato collection akyere kyɛ kyɛ asɔre nso bɛka sɛ a friend is saying yɛsi nia sɛ ewurade yɛ wado na sɛ wɔn nsa ka bia ho na watene nsa this time ɔmo atene nsɛm ama asɔre no asɔre nso bibi ato ɔman no asɔre nso ɛntene ne nsɛm ɛma yɛ sɛ yato sanitizer sɛ yɛde yɛ friend sɛ hand wash is very good bucket TVC to come and wash your hands come and sanitize yourself. That's it.